What's up, guys? I got a new toy here. Got the Doctor Who 11th Doctor remote. You see in my background right there. That's my father doing the AC. It's getting hot out. But the review here is for Doctor Who screwdriver. It's got a couple functions. As you can see, I just opened the claws right there. You can close the claws back up simply by just pushing it down. And your activation for the light is right here. It's got several functions. Press it twice. Different noise. You press it 3 times. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't. Maybe you can only do it with this. Hold on. You pop the claw and then there's a small button right there. You can't really see it, but on the bottom, pop it. Almost looks like a red button detonator kind of. The 3 noises, UV light, pretty decent. It's not bad. And there you go. That's the Doctor Who Sonic screwdriver.